Students, in this circulation part 4, we are going to study heart disorders, angiography, silent heart attack, heart transplant, electrocardiogram and lymphatic system. First, that is a hypertension. Persistently raised blood pressure higher than the normal is called as a hypertension. 140 by 90 mmHg is called threshold of hypertension, and the 180 by 120 and higher readings are dangerous to the health. It may damage the heart, brain and kidneys. Under the conditions of hypertension, heart uses more energy for pumping, which causes angina pectoris, the chest pains due to low blood supply to cardiac muscles, and it may lead to the myocardial infarction. There are more chances of brain hemorrhage due to hypertension, as arteries in brain are less protected by surrounding tissues as compared to the other organs. In kidney, hypertension may cause kidney failure. Coronary artery diseases. It is also known as atherosclerosis. In this, calcium, fat, cholesterol, and fibrous tissues get deposited in blood vessels, supplying blood to the heart muscles, making the lumen narrow. Angina pectoris. It is the pain resulting from a reduction in the blood supply to the cardiac muscles because of atherosclerosis or arteriosclerosis. It is characterized by severe pain and heaviness in the chest. The pain may be spread to the neck, lower jaw, left arm and the left shoulder. The pain is usually results from the exertion when there is a more demand of oxygen by the heart, but the supply does not meet the requirement. Angiography. Angiography is a X-ray imaging of the cardiac blood vessels to locate the position of blockages in the is called angiography. Depending upon the degree of blockage, remedial procedures like angioplasty, a stent is inserted at the site of blockage to restore the blood supply. While in bypass surgery, the atherosclerotic region is bypassed with part of vein or artery taken from any other suitable part of the body like hands or legs. Silent heart attack. Silent heart attack. Silent heart attack, also known as silent myocardial infarction, is a type of heart attack that lack the general symptoms of classic heart attack like extreme chest pain, hypertension, shortness of breath, sweating, and dizziness. Symptoms of silent heart attack are so mild that a person often confuses it for regular discomfort and thereby ignores it. It has been studied that men are more affected by silent heart attack than women. Heart transplant. Replacement of a severely damaged heart by normal heart from brain dead or recently dead donor is called heart transplant. Heart transplant is necessary in case of patients with end-stage heart failure and severe coronary arterial disease. Electrocardiogram or ECG. Graphical recording of electrical variations detected at the surface of body during their propagation through the wall of heart is electrocardiogram, that is ECG. This recording may be in the form of printout, or on-screen display. The instrument used for this recording is the ECG machine or electrocardiograph. This instrument detects and amplifies the signals. Next, working mechanism of electrocardiogram. Various electrodes are used for a recording of signals. 4 electrodes are positioned on limbs, 2 on arms and 2 on legs. These are limb electrodes. 6 electrodes are positioned on chest. These are chest electrodes. Next, normal ECG. So this is the diagram. In normal record, 3 different waves are recognized as P wave, QRS wave complex, and T wave. So this is P wave, QRS complex, and T wave. P wave is a small upward deflection from baseline of graph. It represents the arterial depolarization. The QRS complex starts as a slight downward deflection from the baseline, continues as sharp and large upright wave, and ends as a downward wave. So this is a QRS complex. It represents the ventricular depolarization. T wave is a small, wide and upwardly elevated wave. It represents the ventricular repolarization. So this is a T wave. Uses of cardiogram. ECG helps to diagnose the abnormality in conducting pathway, enlargement of heart chambers, damages to the cardiac muscles, reduced blood supply to cardiac muscles, and causes of chest pain. A physician can find out the defect in the heart by examining the wave pattern and the time interval between them. Next, that is the lymphatic system. So lymphatic system consists of lymphatic vessels, some organs and tissue. The word lymph means clear water and it is a fluid, connective tissue with almost similar composition to the blood except RBCs, platelets and some proteins. Fluid from intercellular spaces of the body tissue enters into the lymphatic vessels. From here, it is a discharge into the blood vessels, that is vein, through the thoracic duct and the right lymphatic duct. So today we will stop here.